the guys and we took over a couple samples of the tile with my wife and I, and we wanted to redo the shower. And the guys gave us a quote, which was a great price. And you know, there's quite a bit of work to do in that shower, and they did a great job. They showed up exactly the day they said they were, and finished it out, and did a great job. Everybody that's seen it has just absolutely loved it. So anyway, I'd totally recommend Marble Design again.